Hello folks, how's it going? Today we are going to take a look at Redragon K616 Fizz Pro Bluetooth Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This is a 60% of a normal full-size keyboard. This means it is a small keyboard with no num keys and no dedicated keys for insert, delete, page up down, print, home, which you would normally find in a normal size keyboard. But guess what? This comes with an additional key, which is Fn2 Key, which brings back all of those missing buttons, and the good thing is you don't have to refer to the manual guide that comes along to find those keys. All the impressions for those keys have been created on the keyboard itself. Now talking about the connection mode, this has 3 connection mode: USB-C wired connection, 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and a Bluetooth connection mode. At a time, you can connect 3 different devices via Bluetooth and one via 2.4 GHz dongle, and you can easily switch between them using just the keyboard shortcuts. Now let's talk about the keys here. These are the most quiet Huano mechanical switch, linear, soft key travel, which make these click easy to register. These are hot swappable with another Redragon switches made to last, with switches rated for 50 million key presses, and this is how they sound. About the RGB, this has up to 20 presets. Backlight mode are free to choose by the keyboard itself. Press Fn2 and F8 key to switch between different patterns. Brightness and flowing speed are also adjustable on the board. You can also light the specific key of your choice with just the keyboard. Just press Fn2 and backspace and select the button which you want to light up. Also, you can change the color of any pattern using Fn2 and F9 buttons. To change the brightness, use Fn2 and F11 to decrease the brightness, and Fn2 plus F12 key to increase the brightness. Also, you can slow down or increase the running speed of light using Fn2 plus Z to slow down and Fn2 plus X to increase. I usually choose the single color. Let me know what you think about this keyboard, and thanks for watching.